So I'm just walking around Saigon, Vietnam. I have no idea what district I'm in. I'm probably like District 1 maybe, because I can see the Landmark 81 building. It's like rush hour and my feet's getting tired. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use the Grab app. So the location I'm going to pick is right here, Dragon Billiard Club, alright? If you haven't downloaded the Grab app, definitely download that, especially traveling in Vietnam. Start up the Grab app. So as you can see right here, you can order food, order a car, bike. So I am going to click on car. Where to? This is where you would type your address that you want to go to. I already have one in mind. That's a mini stop. Okay. And here is where I select where you want them to pick you up. So I'm going to type in Dragon Billiard Club because I don't know the street name. Dragon Billiard Club. I hope there's only one. And as you can see right here, you see it's closest to me, so obviously it's going to be this one. Alright? So I'm going to pick that. I'm going to choose this pickup. It's highlighted. And there you see the Grab fare that you can choose from. You can scroll around to find different prices. It shows you the type of car, how far it's away. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. It's cheaper, $45,000. Even though it's 6 minutes away, I saved some money. So I'm going to go ahead and book. Alright? Let's go ahead and skip this ad. Whoops. Alright, so now just wait until the driver accepts it. So it's accepted. It's 10 minutes away. The name of the driver, a picture of him. And so in the event that it gets disconnected or they reject it, it's going to take you to the next option. You see right here it says finding you a new driver. Because sometimes they can get busy or something happened. They don't want to travel to that location. Here's a new driver. Oh, once again, it's because it's rush hour. So sometimes it takes a while. Here we go. Hopefully this one. Here we go. I think we finally have one. Alright, the driver. Some information about him. Driver is on the way. Here it shows the map, 11 minutes away. You can call him, chat with the driver. And also down here is the price. So it remains the same until you get connected to the driver. It's $45,000, alright? Red is congestion, green means it's good. Obviously rush hour is a lot of congestion. Alright, so here they sent me a message. Here you can translate it. Sorry I'm stuck in traffic. Can you give me a few more minutes? You can type reply. And by the way, the color of the vehicle is indicated by the color you see on the app. So when the driver is close to you, it says driver is nearby. So be on the lookout for the license plate. Here comes the car, it's blue, and make sure the license plate. Let's get in. Okay. Sorry. It's okay. See, pick me up here. It's time to go home. That's the university. In the notification section, you can see the arrival time. There's a McDonald's right here. Make sure you have the cash in hand. Don't worry, they have change. Here's my destination, mini stop. Okay. It's time to pay. 45. Here's my change. Okay. Come on. Alright, so that's how you use Grab for travel. And don't forget, you can also use it as a moped driver too. Alright. Very convenient.